Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back after a super long break. So I got married. That is why I have been MIA on YouTube and other social media platforms. And also I moved to a new place. So life was super hectic setting up my new house, and we are still working on the new house. It is not completely set yet. I actually pre-recorded some videos for you guys so that you guys can watch when I was busy before getting married, but obviously that did not happen because of the lack of time that I had. I thought of editing them whenever I got a little bit of time here and there, but obviously that did not happen. You know how life gets busy when you're getting married, right? And also I was moving to a new place, so I had to shop for the furniture and all that other stuff. So my life was super hectic and busy. So I could not upload videos for you guys. I'm so sorry. But now that I am back, I'll be uploading more frequently. I know you guys will be asking for my wedding makeup look. I'll be creating one very soon on YouTube, so watch out. So I also have a small beauty room slash studio sort of a thing in the new house. So you guys may get to see the beauty room tour or the vanity tour very soon. So I've got a rough idea on my mind of how this beauty room should look like. So fingers crossed, everything should go according to the plan. When everything is set and complete, I'll definitely give you a beauty room tour and a vanity tour. And if you're wondering how I created this makeup, this is a look that I created for my IGTV. So it's kind of like a newlywed makeup look. So I'll be posting on Instagram like I mentioned. The link will be in the description box. So if you want to know how I created this look, make sure to check it out. So that's about it for today's video. Hope to see you guys with more content. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos from me. And I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!